Dr. MP Abdul Samad Samdani.
Sir, I am thankful to you for permitting me to bring into the notice of the government a serious issue that is related with the Kozhikode airport in Kerala and a large number of passengers from Kerala who depend upon this airport. Large majority are the expatriates from the state. Sir, it is due to the decision taken by the authorities not to operate the wide body aircrafts from the airport. It was operating very well, but citing one reason or the other, this operation of the wide body aircrafts has been withdrawn. It has brought much difficulty, sir, to the passengers depending upon this airport. Also, there was a well-functioning Hajj embarkation point in the Kozhikode airport that has been stopped. Now it is excluded from the list of the embarkation points in the country. That also has, sir, brought much difficulties for the people, for the passengers, because a large majority of the pilgrims, they belong to the northern area of Kerala, who depend upon this airport. Sir, the operation of the wide-body aircrafts was stopped, withdrawn, citing one or the other reason. It was stopped after the unfortunate aircraft accident that took place more than 1 year ago. But sir, the official report prepared by the committee appointed by the government has clearly stated that the aircraft accident has nothing to do, it is nowhere related with the infrastructural matters of the airport. Sir, there is no justification in these circumstances for this ongoing terrible delay. Sir, people are in much difficulty. It has badly affected the welfare, the well-functioning of the Kozhikode airport, which is an open door to the expatriates for their work abroad. Sir, I would like to request the government to intervene in this matter and to take urgent steps to resume the operation and to sanction the embarkation point.
धन्यवाद सभापति जी।